Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my review for the Shark Flex Style Air Styler and Hair Dryer, which has 5 attachments. I got it from John Lewis and it was actually sold out in many places. So without further ado, let's get started. It comes in this neat case. It opens like that, and here is the main device. It has a cord of 2.44 meters. It's like that. By the way, this is my adapter for the sockets of my house. This is a UK type of socket. Here is the hair styler, the main device. The air flows in the hair dryer from here, hair styler, hair dryer. Anyway, it's all one now. This is the on-off button. It has 3 settings for how powerful you want it to be, and 3 settings for the heat and a cool air shot. Here, when you hold this down and you keep it pressed, you can twist the end clockwise and this becomes a classic hair dryer. Like that, you can also put the styling concentrator, that's how it's called. And you release the attachments here. So let's put it back. To put the attachments, you simply press and it locks. To unlock the attachment, you press that and you take the attachment off. So let me show you how these 2 buttons work. Let's say we want to use it now as a hair dryer. We turn it on. Now let me show you the attachments. This is the styling concentrator, which has a narrow end. These are the auto wrap curlers. This is the paddle brush, which has nylon and boar bristles. This is the oval brush, which also has nylon and boar bristles, but it's all around. And finally, this is the curl defining diffuser. Now, I've let my hair dry naturally, but they're still quite damp, and I'm going to show you what each of the attachments does for my hair, which is, by the way, short to medium length. So firstly, this is the paddle brush. I've got to admit that it does a pretty good job. Compared to the effort I put in it. Pretty much I brush my hair. That's awesome. So let's try the oval brush. You can tell that the paddle brush has a very similar shape. Perhaps you could achieve the same result with this one. But I guess the thing with this one is that you can do something like that to your hair. So I'm going to try this one now. I'm going to try the other side now. I've got to say I'm happy with this attachment as well. I just think that for shorter hair like mine, for medium or shorter hair, I would prefer a smaller oval brush or round brush, because as you can see, in order to fully wrap my hair around the brush, it takes a lot of wrist work. Now I'm going to use the Auto Wrap curlers. This one is for the right side. I'm very happy with the curls it produces in the amount of time that I need. I'd like also to warn you that this part with which you unlock the wands, it gets really hot as well. You have to be a little bit careful in order not to burn yourself, because this part here gets hot, this part here gets hot, so you want to be very quick. Hold the attachment from this edge and take it out like that. But let's say you've done your left side, you can turn it vertically upside down and do your right side as this attachment would. Can you tell that? This is the right attachment and this is the left attachment, but I've held my my hair styler upside down. So if you don't want, you don't have to change wands for one side or the other. This part has gotten really hot, so it's quite difficult for me to take it now and twist it in order to try the other two attachments, but I'll come back soon and show you. You can touch this part, which has a more narrow end for more precise application, and for which usually you also need a brush, a plain brush. Now, if you have the Dyson hair styler, I don't think you need to buy this one. I think they do pretty much the same job. Now, if you have a hairdryer, a straightening iron, a curling iron, and other stuff, the pros of getting this one: firstly, it's better for your hair, the health of your hair, because irons are worse than blow drying your hair. Secondly, it's really easy to use. You pretty much need one hand to blow dry and straighten your hair or to curl your hair. And thirdly, it's really fast. I can do a really nice hairstyle in under 5 minutes. So that was it. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from my channel. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!